Hello, lovely listeners. A very good morning to each and every one of you tuned in right now.
Namaste, Vanakkam, Salam, and a heartfelt welcome to Pallavi International School Kisara, the voice that brings learning and laughter together.
Yes, you're listening to the voice of Pallavi, a show where ideas meet inspiration and learning meets life.
And today, dear listeners, we have something truly special lined up for you. A festival special that blends the glow of Diwali with the guiding light of Mahatma Gandhi.
Because Diwali is not just about lights, sweets, and celebration, it's about the victory of good over evil, of truth over falsehood, and light over darkness. And who better represents those very ideals than the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, the man who turned truth and non-violence into the world's most powerful weapons.
So sit back, relax, and let your hearts shine bright as we present.
As lamps brighten every home tonight, let's also light the lamp of truth, peace, and courage within our hearts. The same light that guided our beloved Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi.
That's beautifully said. Diwali reminds us of the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, just like Gandhiji's lifelong fight against injustice. But his weapon wasn't a sword or a gun, it was truth and non violence. He proved that the greatest strength lies in compassion, not in conflict.
Exactly. Gandhiji's life was a message of simple living, high thinking, and fearless truth. He once said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." And that's what this generation needs to hear more than ever.
Friends, look around us. We live in a world full of opportunities, technology, comfort, and freedom. Yet, many of us are losing touch with Gandhiji's timeless lessons. We scroll endlessly but forget mindfulness. We chase success but forget service. We talk of rights but ignore responsibilities.
Yes, that's true. Today, we see pollution replacing purity, competition replacing cooperation, and online noise replacing inner peace. But Gandhiji's ideals can still show us the way out. They're not old fashioned, they're eternal.
That's why we say Gandhiji reimagined. It's about bringing his vision into our daily lives through our schools, our communities, our celebrations. Imagine a Diwali where every cracker is replaced by a smile, every gift is replaced by gratitude, and every street shines not just with lights but with kindness. On this account, let's hear a street theatre by our students Miss Afshin, Miss Gagana, Miss Varunavi Adams, Miss Kruti, Miss Atyunata, Miss Srilasya, and Miss Kavyashri of Pallavi International School, Kisara.
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो आ गए जी आ गए नाटक वाले आ गए आ गए जी आ गए नाटक वाले आ गए
Satyameva Jayate.
ट्रूथ अलोन ट्राइम्स
दीप जलाओ मन में ऐसा
दीप जलाओ मन में ऐसा
जो अंधेरा मिटा दे वैसा।
जो अंधेरा मिटा दे वैसा
गांधी का पथ अपनाओ,
गांधी का पथ अपनाओ
प्रेम अहिंसा का दीप जलाओ।
प्रेम अहिंसा का दीप जलाओ
Hey guys, Gandhiji? That's history. Who even follows that today? The world's digital now, not dhoti clad. Oh, really? Then tell us, do you think peace, truth, and kindness are outdated apps? Huh?
Without Gandhiji's ideals, my friend, our connection to humanity loses signal.
We've got Wi Fi,
but lost wisdom
Aye, hi, hi.
We've got data,
but no direction
Aye, hi, hi. We've got freedom,
but do we feel truly free
Aye, hi, hi.
మరి ఏం చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు
దీపం వెలిగించు మనసులో
సత్య దీపం
మోసపు చీకటిని
పారద్రోలే దీపం
గాంధీజీ చూపిన మార్గం
మనదే కావాలి
ప్రేమతో శాంతితో
ప్రపంచం నిండాలి
Let's travel back in time to the year 1915. Gandhiji returns from South Africa, not with wealth or weapons, but with truth and courage.
What did he see?
He saw India divided, wounded, and afraid. But instead of revenge, he chose ahimsa, non violence.
He led movements like non cooperation, Salt March, Quit India, not to fight the British, but to awaken Indians.
Inkulab nahi,
सत्याग्रह जिंदाबाद
चलो दीप जलाए सत्य के,
चलो दीप जलाए सत्य के
चलो पथ दिखाए प्रेम के।
चलो पथ दिखाए प्रेम के
हर मन में गांधी बस जाए,
हर मन में गांधी बस जाए
हिंसा का अंधकार मिट जाए।
हिंसा का अंधकार मिट जाए
So you mean Gandhiji still lives, not in statues, but in our actions?
Yes, reimagining Gandhiji means bringing his ideals to our everyday life. Cleanliness, compassion, courage, and community. Every Swachh Bharat mission, every Fit India drive, every kindness act, that's Gandhiji reimagined.
When we choose eco friendly diyas over crackers, respect our rivalry, service over selfies, Gandhiji smiles again.
మనసులో దీపం వెలిగించు సఖా
మనసులో దీపం వెలిగించు సఖా
సత్యం నీ శక్తి
సత్యం నీ శక్తి
ప్రేమ నీ దారి
ప్రేమ నీ దారి
మనసులో దీపం వెలిగించు సఖా
మనసులో దీపం వెలిగించు సఖా
సత్యం నీ శక్తి
సత్యం నీ శక్తి
ప్రేమ నీ దారి
ప్రేమ నీ దారి
सच की राह पे चलो साथियों,
सच की राह पे चलो साथियों
अहिंसा है सबसे बड़ी जीत हमारी,
अहिंसा है सबसे बड़ी जीत हमारी
सच की राह पे चलो साथियों,
सच की राह पे चलो साथियों
अहिंसा है सबसे बड़ी जीत हमारी,
अहिंसा है सबसे बड़ी जीत हमारी
Our India doesn't need more noise. It needs noble voices. So, let us promise to make our social media
kind
our words
truthful
and our hands
helpful
Let's light diyas of
education equality
and empathy. Let's replace crackers with
care
and gifts with
gratitude
Let's promise to reimagine Gandhiji not as a chapter in a textbook but as a chapter in our hearts.
Then let my Diwali begin not with fireworks, but with the fire of truth within.
जल उठे हर दिल में उजाला,
जल उठे हर दिल में उजाला
मिटे अंधेरा झूठ का काला,
मिटे अंधेरा झूठ का काला
गांधी का सपना फिर से सजे,
गांधी का सपना फिर से सजे
भारत माँ पर गर्व करे.
भारत माँ पर गर्व करे
దీపావళి దీపాల కన్నా గొప్పది
సత్య దీపం
గాంధీజీ మార్గం
మన ప్రాణ దీపం
దీపావళి దీపాల కన్నా గొప్పది
సత్య దీపం
గాంధీజీ మార్గం
మన ప్రాణ దీపం
On this Diwali, let's build the India Gandhiji dreamt of.
Clean, educated, united, and strong. That reminds me of a shloka. Friends, you all know what I am hinting at.
Oh yes Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya Om Shanti 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 Happy Diwali Jai Hind
This is Gagana
This is Afshin.
of Pallavi International School Kisara signing off for now.